Welcome back, all you amazing, hard-working warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes, Life Stories. And, hey, you remember what it felt like to be young? Yeah, you do. You were 16, you felt like you could do anything that you wanted to do in life. That's what you were told your whole existence, right? And then you graduate high school and you either went to college or you went to work. By the time you're 21, reality starts sitting in. Many of you young men and women had or have now, depending on how old you are now, my age, you've had it for a while. You have life, responsibilities, bills, homes, cars, dogs, family, all this pressure, and you realize that you got to come out here and do this work. Yeah, it's work. It's a four-letter word, okay? Not the good kind. There's a few good kinds. I'm not going to cover those in this video. That being said, right now, you're going to watch a video of my boys. They're getting ready to knock out this beautiful property that you see behind me, and they have some amazing footage with their brand new camera, okay? It is the Action 4, and you can pick it up for roughly the camera, the accessories, like stuff like that, and the memory card. He got it for right around $400 for everything. So, hey, watch the footage, enjoy the time that my boys spent on this property, and let us know in the comments, please, if you like the footage this camera provided, because I haven't seen it yet. And also, if you're curious about getting a camera like this for your own personal use, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, that's very important. All right, let it roll, because as I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, above all love each other, and kick back with a beverage and watch the footage. We love you guys, and good vibes to you always. Let's do it.
This is what happens. This shit hits you. I don't know if it's supposed to rain today.